I got my first YouTube paycheck for $117, and I am going to share with you how I got up to this point. I want you to start your own YouTube channel and grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers and monetize your channel. So I'm going to share some advice. A common misconception about YouTube is that you have to be super outgoing, extroverted, a literal comedian to be successful on YouTube, but that's just not the case. The only thing that you need is to provide value to your viewers. So this means you need to be giving information, or you need to be entertaining, or you need to be inspiring. The easiest way to grow your channel is if your channel has a niche. This means a specific topic that you can focus on. For me, my niche is fashion design, and I do pattern making and sewing tutorials. But let's say you're not a sewing channel. Let's say you want to start a vlog channel. Well, be specific. Are they New York City vlogs? Are they Houston, Texas vlogs? If you want to start a cooking channel, what kind of cooking is it? Is it cooking on a budget? Is it vegan food? Be specific and you will grow in subscribers. My next tip is to create searchable content. What does this mean? It means that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Create videos that people are already searching for. For example, I knew that bucket hats were trendy, and a lot of people were searching how to sew a bucket hat. And that's why I decided to make a video on how to sew bucket hats, because I knew that people were already searching for this. Titles and thumbnails are extremely important for your videos to rank higher in search. So if your title is very clear, it will rank higher in search. If your thumbnail is beautiful and easy to read, high quality, people will be more inclined to click on it. And if more people click on your video will be ranked higher in search. I personally use Photoshop to create my thumbnails, but there are other services like PicMonkey and Canva where you can create your thumbnails for free. Share your channel to friends and family. They will be your first supporters. Shout out to Katie Lynn Stone. She was my first subscriber, first comment on my YouTube channel. I think my mom was my second subscriber because she had to actually make a YouTube channel. And don't be afraid to share your channel on your other social media channels. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Utilize your other channels where you already have a little bit of followers, and that will drive a lot of traffic to your videos. That first 100 subscribers is the hardest part. And once you kind of pass that threshold, it gets a little bit easier. My advice is don't be afraid to put yourself out there, because people in reality are really nice, and people, they want to see what you have to offer. Like, don't deprive them of this opportunity. Even if you only have 10 subscribers, you need to engage with your subscribers. So if someone asks you a question, you better answer it. If someone comments something, heart it. Don't be too bougie to do that. And if someone DMs you on Instagram or whatever asking a question, reply. Like, you need to think of YouTube as a business. I want to talk about consistency. I feel like every video tells you have to post once a week at this exact time every single week for the rest of your life. Otherwise, you'll never gain any subscribers. But in my experience, I found that isn't true. I am currently gaining over 800 subscribers a month, and I post about 1 to 2 times a month. I mean, I'm not saying post one video and then disappear for 6 months and post again. You're not going to gain subscribers that way, but I think once a month is okay, and you can still gain subscribers as long as your videos are good. Last tip, just get started. You don't need a fancy camera and fancy audio to just get started. My very first YouTube video was shot completely on an iPhone 6, and it currently has around 6,000 views. That video is performing a little bit better than some of my more recent videos where I do have better quality camera and equipment. It just goes to show that the content is really the most important thing. Don't be afraid to start your channel, and if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you're starting a fashion design channel, please let me know, because I would love to watch your videos. I would love for there to be more fashion design content on this platform. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.